Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 4 of our weekend wow series. We're going to make this really cute, cool card using the red glimmer paper, some scraps of garden green, whisper white, and of course my favorite cherry cobbler. You are also going to need the set that we used last week, which is the Scenic Season, because we're going to use the saying of that set as well as this little greeting of this set to go in front of the door. So let's get started. I'll give you your paper sizes. You're going to need a cherry cobbler piece that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then you're going to need 2 pieces of whisper white that are 4 by 5 3/8. Again, 2 pieces of that. And then you're going to need 4 pieces of whisper white that are 1 3/4 by 2 1/2, and 4 pieces of whisper white that are 1 1/2 by 2 1/4. A whisper white piece that's 3 1/4 by 4 inches, and then of course we need the scrap of garden green and we need the scrap of red glimmer paper. Okay, to start with, you're going to take the white piece of paper and you are going to take a basic gray ink with a sponge, and you are actually going to sponge around the white piece. And how you do that is you're going to lift it up and just gently rub the sponge on the side. Now again, you don't want to put the sponge like over the white, you're just doing it on the side. And you're going to use the bigger white pieces and glue those down, and you are going to glue them closer to the edge so you can put the little doorknob on there. And then you're going to take your secondary pieces and glue those right on top, and again you're just kind of eyeballing it to make sure that you are getting it all for the door. You're going to take your red glimmer brad after you have that done, and you're going to put it on the white piece with your hole puncher. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your boho blossom punch, which looks like that, and you're going to punch 10 of these in the garden green and 3 of these in the red glimmer paper to be your poinsettia. And basically how you do the wreath is you're going to do 1 down, 1 up with a pop dot, 1 down, 1 up with a pop dot, and of course you're going to put the gold brad in those. Also, you're going to take your 1/4 inch punch and punch a little scrap 5 pieces of your red glimmer paper. And then a trick for the season's greetings is use your 1 3/8 inch punch, and the way you can get those little fancy edges is you're going to just line up that punch to the corner and punch, and that gives you that really cool flag look. I don't know what else to call it, but I call it the flag look. So of course, after you stamp your season's greetings, do your little flag, glue it down and up, and put your little greeting inside. And it's another happy holiday card using the Scenic Season stamp set. Hope you love this weekend wow. Thanks for joining me. See you next weekend.